Good days, ladies and gentlemen. I still remain my humble self, Nofi Kudus Olarewaju, aka Dr. Oliwet. Right now, I want to teach you how to effectively use your MetaTrader platform. So, if you have able to downloaded your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 on your phone or system, and you have able to install it, if you are launching it for the first time, it might ask you to register or maybe to create demo or real accounts. But for me, I have created my own demo account and I've registered already. So if you are launching it, this is the first interface it will bring for you. And if you look up at the left side, you will see three parallel line. That three short parallel line is the icon for the main menu of this app. If you click on that three parallel line, this is what it will bring for you, and this is the menu of the app of the MetaTrader platform. You can see codes, charts, trade history, main boss, news, economic calendar, message, setting, journal, and about. Sure, but assuming already I have demo account on this platform, but assuming I want to create another demo account, what I just need to do is to click on that manage account. So if you click manage accounts, this is where it will take you to, and these are the accounts I've already have on the platform before. But assuming I want to create another account now, what I just need to do is to click on that positive sign at the top right hand side. You see that positive sign. Click on that positive sign. This is what it will bring for you. Meta code software course. Click on it and it will bring for you. Maybe you want to open a real account or a demo account. If you want to open a real account, click open a real account. If you want to open a demo account, click on a demo, open a demo account, and it will bring the form for you. You need your first name, second name, phone number, the email, then you fill your details there. But let me show you some important area that you need to know. You can see account type, Forex JPY, change it to Forex US dollar. You can see. Then leverage, you can choose any leverage that you want, but what leverage simply means is that the amount of money, the amount of money or the capacity the platform can allow you to train in addition to your deposits, in addition to the money in your account. Let's assume you have $5,000 in your account and you choose 500 1:500 leverage. That means you can trade in 500 times of that $5,000 you have in your account. So I will advise you to choose the highest leverage, even in your real account, also in your demo account. So deposit, how much do you want to deposit? You click here, then you choose the amount you want to deposit. You want to deposit $3,000, $5,000, $10,000. But I would like to advise you that you should choose the amount of money that you know that is very close to what you'll be using to open your real life account. For someone like me, that I know that I cannot deposit more than $3,000, then I will choose 3,000. Then I will choose 3,000 to deposit. So I choose 3,000. Then you click accept. Then you click register. Then with that, you'll be done with your demo account. Now let's go back to the main menu. So this is our main menu. The first menu here is quotes. If you click on quotes, you see this is the pairs. These are the pairs of currency that you can trade on the platform. You scroll down, you can see Euro, US dollar, US Japanese yen, different currency, US Canada, US dollar and Canada dollar. You see different currency pair that you can trade on the platform. So let's go back to our main menu. Another menu here is charts. If you click on chart, it will take you to the chart of a particular currency pair that you might want to trade, and this Europe versus US dollar. If you want to change this chart to another currency pair, then you click on that dollar sign at the top side. You can see if you click on it, it will be different currency on the currency pair on the platform for you. Then you can choose anyone that you want to see the chart. So let's choose that. This US Japanese, you can see, and this that H1 that you see, that's 1 hour chart. You can change it to any, you can zoom it and change it to any duration. If you click on it, you see 1 hour, 4 hours, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. So let's change it to 5 minutes. You can see that the chart has changed. So the upper chart at the top side, the upper chart is for your candlestick. You can see, and the down one are those different type of line with different color that you are seeing at the down chart. Are the different type of indicator that you can use to study your market. This is where you carry out all your technical analysis, or you'll be learning more about technical analysis later in the training. So let's look into another menu, which is trade menu. If you click on trade, this is where you can take position, you can place order for any trade. So if you want to take position, if you want to enter any trade, to select, click on that plus sign at the top right side. That plus sign at the top right side, click on it. It take you to this place. But you can, if you want to change the currency pair, assuming you don't want to trade Europe, this Europe stroke US dollar, and assuming you don't want to trade this market, you can change it to whatever you want to take. You can pick any pair of currency that you want to trade. So but let's trade Europe US dollar. Now at this interface, there's a lot of settings you can carry out here. If you click that, you can see instant execution. That's one type of setting for your trade, but you can change that setting to another setting. If you click on it, it will bring other setting for you. You can see buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, sell stop limit. All those settings, all those different settings have different purpose and have different function on it, to that they have different function they can perform on your position. Maybe you buy or you sell. So but we'll be explaining those settings in details later in the training. So just noted that for now. So now let's assume we want to trade this market. Now we have set every necessary thing. We have set our stop loss deviation. So now assuming we want to also set buy stop limit. You can see that you have add another column to the column we have here, the stop limit price. So but assuming we have set everything that we're supposed to set, so let's go back to instant execution. Now let's take position. What positions can we take now? Do we want to buy or do we want to sell? Assuming all our analysis have told us to sell, then we click on sell. So we accept. Done. That means we have take position sell, and presently with this is our position Euro US dollar. Then the position we take is sell. You can see sell in right. You can see sell in red. Then the market is in -4 for now -7. That's how it will be fluctuating. When it is in red, and we call that red number, we call it pips, and the number of pips simply mean the number of dollar that we are gaining or we are losing. When it is in red, negative, we are losing it. When it is in blue, that's positive number, blue, we are gaining. So any number that appear there signify the number of dollar you are gaining or losing. If it is in red, you are losing. If it is blue, you are gaining. But you have not lose yet until you close. You have not lose yet or gain yet until you close the market. So how do you close the market? You hold down the position. It will be something like this for you. Either close position, modify. Your own might be close order, depend on the type of app you are using. Close position, modify position, new order, chart. But if you want to close the position, you click close position. So if you look down at the bottom side of this app, you will see close with lost, minus 19 whatever. So you can see how it's fluctuating. You have not lose that money until you click on that close with lost, and it might also change to blue, and it will change to close with profit, and you have not make that profit until you click close with profit. So but for now, we will not close the market because I'm very sure that number is coming back to positive, and it's coming back to blue. And we will definitely make profit in this market because of the analysis that I've checked. But nevertheless, let's leave the market for now. Let's continue with the explanation of of the platform. So let's go back to our menu. This is our main menu. We have talked about codes, charts, trade. Now the next one to talk about is history, which simply means the history of the market you have traded before. You can see, look at this date. You can see this is 2019 28. You can see this today's date, this morning. These are the order I've placed before. This is the history of what I've done on this platform this morning. I have traded Europe US dollar. I made the profit of $5. US dollar. You can see the time. I made the profit of $7. The third one, I made the profit of $8. So I made total profit of $20 in all those trades. So this is the history of the trade I have carried out this morning. So let's go back to our menu to look into another menu. This next thing is mail box. The next menu is mail box. So we simply mean those emails that are sent to you from the platform. And also the news. This is where these are some news that are sent to you from the platform. Then economic calendar. Economic calendar is where you need to carry out your fundamental analysis, but you might not necessarily use the economic calendar here because it might not contain every information that you needed. So you can use investing.com to get all the detailed information you need for your fundamental analysis. So this is where you carry out your fundamental analysis. Then you can see this are the news, economic news of different countries. You can see the flag of different country and what is going on in their country. So you can change the dates to like today, 26th of October 2019. You can change it to 31st of October 2019. Those are the things that will happen in those countries. And as you can see, for instance, if you click on bank loan, this is what will happen in Singapore. This is what will happen there. So those are information you can use for your fundamental analysis. So let's go back to our main menu. So the next menu to talk about is message, which just charts their chart column, their charting page. Then settings, you don't need to do any major thing here. So, and then journal, you don't also need to do many major thing here. It's just some information that are published by some traders. Then about the app, you don't need much here. It's just telling you about the application. So don't mind whether you are using MetaTrader 4 or you are using MetaTrader 5. Doesn't mean they all work the same way. So let's move out. Now if you look down at the bottom side of the app, you see some icon there, like 6 icon there. Those are the shortcut to the major shortcut to the major menu. So the first icon is for the quotes, that is the different pairs of currency that you can trade. The second icon is the chart icon, where you carry out your technical analysis, study the candle, study the indicator. And the third icon is the market, is the trade page. You know, this the market that we place. It is at minus 35 now, but this is where you need your psychological balance. You don't need to be panicked. If you know what you are doing, definitely you know what will definitely happen to this type of market. By God's grace, it's still coming back to positive. I'm very sure of that. You can see this morning those currency that I made that $20 is even worse than this before, and you can see I've made $20 just in a few minutes this morning. So let's move on. The next is the history, and this is the $20 I'm talking about. You can see this to date. This today, 28th of October 2019 by 10:52. This is 11:13. This is 12:19. You can see, and all those ones we are just using it for just testing the software. So, and this is the news page, and the last icon is for the chart. So that is the major shortcut you have on the platform. So having know all those things, I think you have know how to effectively use your MetaTrader platform. Thank you all. I still remain my humble self. Nothing could do Solariwaju, Dr. Olip Wet.